subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Gionee has launched its new affordable phone with a huge battery pack in China called Gionee M30. Talking about the specifications, the Gionee M30 features a tall 6-inch display with HD+ resolution, and it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera at the top right corner. The rear panel of the phone appears to be a leather finish that houses a single 16-megapixel camera at the top center, including LED flash. The Gionee M30 comes backed by a huge 10,000 mAh battery that supports 25 watts fast charging, and it also features reverse charging technology to charge other devices. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by MediaTek Helio P60 chipset paired with mAh G72 MP3 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.6 by 75.8 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 305 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Gionee M30 has been priced in China at 1,399 Chinese yuan, and it will go on sale in the country starting from August 31st. So what do you guys think of this Gionee M30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.